Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about burner head for Imperial part number 2119. The Imperial part number 2119 burner head is a replacement part for a gas range or stove. It is used to control the flow of gas to the burners on the range. The burner head is made of metal and has a series of ports that allow gas to flow through when the knob on the range is turned. The ports are connected to a tube that runs from the burner head to the burner itself. The burner head also has an igniter, which is used to ignite the gas when it flows through the ports. The igniter is usually powered by electricity and can be replaced if it fails. This part fixes the following symptoms. Burner head for Imperial part number 2119 fixes symptoms such as poor flame quality, uneven heating, and inadequate heat output. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the gas supply to the burner head. 2. Remove the old burner head by unscrewing it from the gas line. 3. Clean any debris or dirt from the area where the new burner head will be installed. 4. Place the new Imperial part number 2119 burner head into position and secure it with a wrench or pliers. 5. Connect the gas line to the new burner head and tighten it securely with a wrench or pliers. 6. Turn on the gas supply and check for any leaks around the connection points of the new burner head. If there are no leaks, then you have successfully ins. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.